Namaste, my name is Nandini. Today I am going to show a presentation on thermic tablets. The importance of this work is development of thermic sense, eye-hand coordination, order and independence. This is a wooden box with 6 compartments containing tablets of different material. Here the child can use the blindfold or even can close the eyes and work. Place the tablets one at a time in a mixed order in a horizontal line. Select one tablet, place it below the box. Take the next tablet, place it beside and note the temperature. If they are same, leave it there or continue till the match is formed. I have matched the thermic tablets. Thank you.